Hi guys, look what I've got. Sue Freeman. Oh, it's another little happy mail from Sue Freeman. Sue, you're seriously going to make me have a silky attack. Sue, you would have seen, I think it was just last week, I opened a happy mail from Sue and it had this beautiful sparkly shiny boho like Indian type fabric in there. So beautiful. And Sue's already sent me a couple of happy mails even before that one, and yeah, I've got another little box. Sue, I don't know what to say because nothing I send you or however many thank yous I give you just can't express like how thankful I really am that you that you thought of me. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but thank you so much. This little package, actually, there's a funny story with this because, well, it's not funny, but little story. I live at number 5, and I'm in a little cul-de-sac. That's a little dead-end street with only I think seven houses, and one of those houses actually faces the street opposite, because when they built, they decided to put their front door on the other street, but he's actually part of our street. So and the way they numbered it, in Australia you'll have all the even numbers on one side and all the odds on the other, so it's always like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we're in such a tiny little cul-de-sac, but they still for some reason numbered them like odd, but our street is like a U shape, so they still did 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. So it's really confusing unless you can see the house number, and some of the houses don't have numbers out front. And anyway, so I live at number 5 and Sue addressed it accidentally to number 6, and the postman delivered it accidentally to number 3. And that's because we always have the same postman and he knows my name with all these happy mails. But over the Christmas period, they were doing more than one delivery, and they were doing weekend deliveries as well. And so a different guy delivered this, so he didn't recognize my name. When Sue said, "Did you get a little box?" I'm like, "No." And he went missing for quite a few weeks in the Australia Post black hole into the Never Nevers. And I did go to number 6 when I realised that's where Sue sent it, and they said they hadn't received anything, but if they got it, they'd bring it over. Then a day or two later, yeah, apparently number 3 got it, and so they took it to number 6 because it had number 6 on it. And then she said, "No, that's actually for number 3." And so then they brought it over. So this little box, he went around the traps, and yay, Sue, he made it. I'm so glad he wasn't lost. Anyway, I've just cut the box because, you know, I fumble on camera all the time. But I haven't looked inside of it yet, so. And hi Bonnie, just a few goodies. You have a great day. Big hug to my Clivey. Sue. Sue, if I ever die, I want Clivey to go to you because I know you'll love him. Oh, Sue! Oh my gosh, Sue! No, you didn't. Okay, Sue was actually one of the winners of my little rustic flowers. They're like, I don't have any left, I've run out. I'll put the link to the video down below. They're just little scrappy, rustic, like really scruffy little flowers. And Sue won a little pack of those in my giveaways. And Sue, oh my gosh. Oh, Sue, this is too much. You've made all of these. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm embarrassed to make flowers after seeing yours. Yours are so beautiful. Look at this. Oh, that's so gorgeous. I mean, I love scruffy flowers, but I do try to make pretty flowers, but they just never turn out. Oh my gosh, what have you done with this one? Look at this. This is actually like 2 centimeters wide around the edges. How have you done that? I love seeing how other people make stuff. Oh, that is awesome. Look at that. Oh, I wish you had your own channel. That is so cool. And oh, okay. Do you have to put me to shame and finish your backs? I never finish my backs because I always think, what's the point? They're going to be stuck down on a journal page or cover or something. But actually, I guess yours are beautiful. Like, you could use these for so many other things besides journals. Oh, these are so cool. Oh my gosh, Sue. Okay, I sent you, I think, 10 little scruffy scrap fabric flowers, and you sent me a box of beautifulness. Look at this satin. Sorry, my hands are still dirty. I can't get them clean. Look, they're forever dirty. I need to soak in a bleach bath or something. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Oh, look at this. Is that, did you make that, or is that little bits joined together? Wedding dress material. Everything reminds me of wedding dress material now. Oh, Sue. These are so pretty. Look. They look like they're so professional. You know, they're like something you expect to buy like at a shop or something, like so professional. And oh, these are so, oh, look at this one. Oh, I love how you did that. Okay, I'm gonna copy this guy. He's so beautiful. I mean, they're all beautiful, but look at this guy. Ooh. He's so fluffy and delicious. Look at all your little blingy things. I think I've got some little blingy things now that I can put in the centers. Oh, these are so gorgeous, Sue. I like these little, what do you call them? They're like little donuts or something. I don't know what you call them. They're so cool. Oh, that's like a little plastic flower on top. Little resin flower or something. Oh, Sue, thank you. Oh, look. This guy's a butterfly. You smart cookie. Wait, maybe you can see it better if I pull that down. See? His little wings and his little antennae. Oh, that's so cool. You smart cookie. Okay, I want to steal this little butterfly idea as well. That is so cute. Oh, there's a bag of goodies. Oh, you sent me so many. Oh, Sue. How long did these take you to make? They're so beautiful. Oh, I like this one as well. Wow, you must have some nice fabric. Now, these are very feminine, Sue. Are you trying to give me a hint? You're trying to girly me up and I'm trying to rough you up. Oh, I like this one as well, how you folded it. I should watch some videos on flower making because I do enjoy it, but I just kind of make up my own as I go. Oh, Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He's like a little cookie. He's so little, look. He's like a little Scooby snack. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh, I love him. Oh wow, you've got so many little blingy things. Where do you find these all? Oh, thank you, Sue. Oh, and this one you've put little... I love seeing how you make them. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, you made so many. I feel so like guilty. How long did that take you? Oops. Someone lost his little center. I don't remember one with no center. I think that must have been one you dropped in the box. Yeah, they've all got little centers. Ooh, well, I've got an extra little center. Thank you. Oh, and I love how you put them in there. It's like they're so professional. Like, oh, they're so gorgeous. Thank you, Sue. Oh my gosh, look. I love him. That lace as well. I don't know if you can see it on camera. That lace is gorgeous. It's not white. It's kind of yellowed a bit. It looks maybe it's old, but it's really thick. It's really beautiful. Oh, my Fluffy, I love him. I'm kind of mesmerized with this one. I want to know how you did that. That is awesome. They're so cute. They're so beautiful. Look at them all. How delicious they all look like that. Oh my gosh, I feel like a little spoiled. Oh, the Scooby snack. I feel so spoiled. Oh, okay, that's where he fell out of. Oh, you sent me some little centers. Oh, thank you. They kind of make me think of, if you're in Australia, do you remember those lollies when we were young, like growing up in the 70s and 80s, at the corner shop you used to get, you know, bags of mixed lollies in a little white paper bag, and they had one that were called caramel buds or something, and there was also little chocolate buds. These make me think of like a little handful of caramel buds. I don't know why. I don't think they had bumps on them. I think they were smooth. But oh, thank you so much, Sue. And I'm gonna ban you from sending me Happy Mail, because you have been so generous, and like I send you a little thing and then you send me giant big boxes and bags and all of this. Like, this must have taken you for ages to make. They're so beautiful. Oh, thank you so much, Sue. And yeah, I can't thank you enough. I've actually got another few Happy Mails and a prize that I won to open, and I'm like completely spoilt rotten. Santa crossed me off his Christmas list, not just for 2018, but I swear he must be crossing me off the Christmas list for the next 10 years, because I've absolutely been spoiled. Yeah, and I need to get cracking and make some beautiful journals with all these goodies that everyone has sent me. I've been a bit slack on the journal making, too much going on in my real life, but yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Sue. I'm so happy your little flowers didn't go off into the Never Nevers completely. Thank you. Bye.